this video, we're going to talk a bit about the targeting options and audiences that you can use on social media, notably on Facebook and Instagram. The easiest way to get started is to have a look at the data that you already have at your disposal. So I would recommend you check out the information about your Facebook audience using the Facebook Audience Insights tool. You can also use Google Analytics or any other tracking tool to find out if there is a certain demographic or interest that is particularly well working. Later on, you can also split test different audiences to compare which one is performing better for your product or service. But in general, to get started, you should look at the data you already have. From this data, you will try and create buyer personas. So you will make up a semi-fictional representation of your ideal customer. So imagine you are selling different jerseys of different football teams. What the target audiences that we have at our disposal allow us to do is to target people that are interested in Team A with the merchandise of Team A and the one of Team B with the merchandise of Team B, because obviously if we show the merchandise of Team A to the fans and supporters of Team B, that's not going to work very well. Whenever you follow a page on Facebook or you engage with content or do any other action, you're going to be classified or put in a certain pot by Facebook. So if you are very interested in football content and you like a lot of football related pages, Facebook will assume that you are interested in football. Furthermore, if you're an FC Bayern Munich fan and you like a lot of Bayern Munich content, Facebook will understand that you are probably a Bayern Munich fan. So if I was to sell Bayern Munich jerseys, I can actually search for people that are already engaging with Bayern Munich on Facebook and Instagram and show them the jerseys right away. And this is, in a very simple way, how targeting works. But there is no real right or wrong here. So what you have to do is you have to test your product or service with different audiences and see which ones react best. Later, you're going to try and adapt your content and communication to appeal to the target audiences that are most likely to engage with your business on Facebook or Instagram. If you are interested in this, make sure to check out our Facebook ads course at neonacademy.io. There we go into this in detail and explain you how you can use them in practice.